There's something special about hitting the road on a motorcycle. The wind, the freedom, the pure connection between rider and machine. But in 2026, that experience is evolving fast. Technology is stepping in to make every ride smarter, safer, and a whole lot more exciting. From intelligent helmets that keep you connected, to next-level security systems and clever accessories you didn't even know you needed, today's motorcycle gadgets are changing the way we ride. These aren't just upgrades, they're game changers designed to enhance comfort, boost safety, and give you total control on every journey. In this video, we're diving into 20 genius motorcycle gadgets that are set to revolutionize your ride in 2026. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend explorer, these innovations might just redefine the way you experience the road. Blucap Moto. The Blucap Moto is a cutting-edge motorcycle gadget built to make navigation simpler and safer on the road. These smart sunglasses come equipped with a micro-LED heads-up display that shows turn-by-turn directions prama on the lens, so you never have to look away while riding. They pair seamlessly with your smartphone via Bluetooth and support popular apps like Google Maps. Weighing in at under 45 grams, the glasses are lightweight and comfortable, featuring polarized anti-fog and UV protective lenses for all-weather riding. The battery delivers up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. Pricing starts at around $299 on Kickstarter, with a projected retail price close to $399. ITC Smart Helmet. The ITC Smart Helmet is a next-generation riding companion built to boost both safety and connectivity on the road. Crafted with a lightweight carbon fiber shell, it features integrated LED lighting for added visibility and a photochromic visor that automatically adjusts to changing light conditions. With Bluetooth 5.0 onboard, riders can handle calls, stream music, and use voice commands effortlessly. The helmet also pairs with the Tally mobile app, offering GPS tracking and crash detection for extra peace of mind. Its battery provides around 4 to 6 hours of use and supports both USB-C and wireless charging. Pricing starts at approximately €999 on Kickstarter. WALSUN. The WALSUN fingerprint bike lock is a smart security solution built for both convenience and reliable protection. This compact lock uses a biometric fingerprint sensor that unlocks in about a second, so there's no need to carry keys or remember combinations. Weighing roughly 220 grams, it's made from tough 304 stainless steel to help resist cutting and tampering. It can store up to 40 fingerprints, making it easy to share access when needed, and its IP65 rating ensures it holds up well in outdoor conditions. Early Kickstarter pricing starts at around $59, making it a budget-friendly yet high-tech option for securing motorcycles and bikes. MOTOEYE E6. The MOTOEYE E6 is a smart motorcycle gadget that brings advanced HUD technology straight to your helmet. This compact unit displays navigation, speed, calls, and music within your line of sight, so you can stay focused without distractions. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and mesh intercom communication, and even includes a rear-view camera to help minimize blind spots. Equipped with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, a 1,400 mAh battery, and IP66 waterproofing, it's built to handle all kinds of riding conditions. Pricing usually falls between $499 and $549, depending on the version. Motorcycle Intercom Headset. The Best Motorcycle Intercom Headset is a cutting-edge communication gadget designed for riders who love group adventures. This sleek, helmet-mounted device uses Hive Mesh and Bluetooth 5.3 technology to connect up to 16 riders without traditional range limits, while also pairing with smartphones for calls, music, and GPS directions. It's powered by a 1,250 mAh battery, offering around 13 hours of use per charge, and comes with voice-activated controls, noise cancellation, and a listening mode that lets you hear your surroundings without removing your helmet. Kickstarter pricing varied by pledge, with early bird units generally available for several $100s, making it a more affordable option compared to premium comm systems. Atlas Throttle Lock. The Atlas Throttle Lock is a smart motorcycle accessory designed to make long rides more comfortable by holding your throttle in place and reducing wrist fatigue. This universal bolt-on mechanical lock is made from durable stainless steel and features a low-profile design that installs in minutes without the need for specialized tools. Riders can choose between top or bottom kits to match their bike's throttle setup. The lock allows you to maintain a steady speed and disengage quickly with a simple thumb press. Prices usually range from $150 to $160, depending on the model and region. 12-liter cargo tail bag. The 12-liter cargo tail bag is a versatile motorcycle storage solution ideal for city riders and commuters who want to ditch bulky backpacks. Crafted from waterproof waxed canvas with taped seams and durable hardware, it provides 12 liters of expandable space, enough for tools, jackets, or even a laptop, while keeping your gear dry and secure. The bag's adjustable straps fit most motorcycles without a dedicated rack, and a removable cargo net adds extra flexibility. Early Kickstarter pledges ranged from $75 to $95, offering an affordable way to add practical, low-profile storage to your ride. Helmet Halo. The Helmet Halo is a smart, compact motorcycle accessory that solves a common rider problem: where to safely rest your helmet when you're off the bike. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in a pocket or tank bag and provides a stable surface wherever you stop, helping prevent scratches, scuffs, and pressure on Bluetooth mounts. Made from flexible, durable material, it works with nearly any full-face helmet and keeps ventilation open on hot days. Priced at around $20, it's an affordable way to protect one of your most important pieces of gear. Motorcycle Phone Mount. The motorcycle phone mount with one-click auto lock is a durable, rider-friendly gadget designed to keep your phone secure on every ride. Its upgraded auto lock button secures your device with a single click and releases it with a simple two-side press, making one-handed operation effortless while on the road. The cushioned clamp and military-grade reinforced ball joint reduce vibration and keep your phone steady, even on rough terrain or at high speeds. With 360 degrees adjustability, it fits phones from 4.7 inches to 7 inches and handlebars from 0.7 inches to 1.34 inches, making it a versatile and affordable option, usually around $16, for navigation and easy access. BlueFire 5V/3 amps dual USB charger socket. The BlueFire 5V 3-amp dual USB charger socket is an essential motorcycle accessory for keeping your devices powered on the go. It features two 5-volt USB ports delivering a combined 3 ampere output, a built-in voltmeter to monitor your bike's electrical system, and a cigarette lighter socket for extra flexibility. Crafted from fire-retardant ABS and protected with a waterproof, dust-proof cover, it's designed to withstand outdoor riding conditions. A long cable with an integrated fuse ensures safe, hassle-free installation on most motorcycles. Priced around $22 to $26, it's a great value for charging smartphones, GPS devices, and other gadgets while on the road. Reflective Motorcycle Backpack. The Reflective Motorcycle Backpack is a commuter-ready bag designed to keep riders both visible and organized. Offering 35 liters of storage, it easily holds your laptop, clothes, tools, and daily essentials. Plus, it features a built-in helmet net for hands-free helmet transport. Made from durable, high-visibility, retro-reflective 600D nylon, it enhances safety by reflecting headlights and improving visibility to other motorists day and night. Padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel provide comfort on long rides, while the included waterproof rain cover keeps your belongings dry. At around $89.95, it's a smart choice for riders who prioritize safety and practicality. KiWAV Motorcycle Kickstand Pad. The KiWAV Motorcycle Kickstand Pad is a simple but highly practical accessory that prevents your bike's kickstand from sinking into soft surfaces like grass, gravel, or hot asphalt, helping avoid unexpected tip-overs. Constructed from durable ABS plastic with a textured bottom for extra grip, its compact 3x5-inch size easily fits in a pocket or saddlebag. It also protects floors from scratches when parking indoors or on delicate surfaces. Priced around $8 to $10, it's an affordable, lightweight solution that gives every rider added confidence when parking on uneven terrain. EyeRide HUD. The EyeRide HUD is a high-tech motorcycle accessory that transforms any standard helmet into a smart, connected display system. Its compact nano OLED head-up display projects navigation, Google Maps, Waze, speed, and alerts directly into your line of sight, letting you stay focused on the road. The system also includes intercom functionality, a directional microphone, and speakers, all controlled via a handlebar remote, and works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices. Priced between €299 to €499, it delivers premium HUD technology without the need for a new smart helmet. Vantrue F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam. The Vantrue F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam is a top-tier gadget for riders seeking dependable video coverage on the road. It features a dual camera system with 4K front and 1080p rear recording, wide-angle lenses, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and an IP67 waterproof rating for all-weather performance. With G-sensor collision detection and 24/7 parking mode, critical footage is captured and secured automatically. Installation is simple, and the free app allows easy previewing and downloading of clips. Priced around $400, it's an excellent choice for riders who value high-quality ride documentation and peace of mind. Grand PITSTOP Universal Wheel Chock. The Grand PITSTOP Universal Wheel Chock is a must-have accessory for safely storing or transporting motorcycles. Ideal for garages, trailers, or home use, it accommodates front and rear tires from 17 inches to 21 inches, with widths of 110 to 160 millimeters, offering stability for most bikes. Included are 3 front tire attachments for cruisers, sport bikes, and dirt bikes, making it truly universal. Simple to operate, a single person can load or unload a bike using the 2 included straps. Priced around $110, it's a durable, versatile solution for secure parking and transport of motorcycles from all major brands. Motorcycle speakers. The motorcycle speakers by Boss Audio Systems are ideal for riders who want high-quality music on the road. These 3-inch full-range speakers include a compact, weatherproof Class D amplifier and handlebar mount brackets for bars between 0.75 inches and 1.25 inches. They support Bluetooth streaming, 3.5mm aux input, and music apps like Spotify and Pandora. Inline volume control makes adjustments easy while riding, and robust weatherproofing keeps your tunes protected in any condition. Priced around $95, they're a durable and versatile way to elevate your riding experience. Motorcycle earplugs. The motorcycle earplugs are an essential accessory for riders who want comfort and hearing protection on the road. Featuring high-fidelity filters, they reduce wind and engine noise by up to 25 decibels while keeping critical sounds like GPS directions, horns, and sirens clear. Made from soft, flexible silicone, they fit comfortably under any helmet for long rides. Each set includes a waterproof aluminum carrying case with carabiner for easy storage. Priced around $18, they offer an affordable and practical way to safeguard your hearing every time you ride. Motorcycle cup holder. The Lexan C3 motorcycle cup holder is a practical and sturdy accessory for riders who want to stay hydrated on the road. Its upgraded 360-degree clamp design, complete with 4 screws and anti-skip gaskets, ensures a secure fit on handlebars from 0.87 inches to 1.25 inches. The 2.17 inches to 2.76 inches inner diameter accommodates cups, bottles, or cans, while the gear basket top helps prevent spills during rides. Lightweight, versatile, and priced around $36, it's a dependable companion for both long trips and daily commutes. HID-Air MLV Airbag Vest. The HID-Air MLV Airbag Vest is a premium motorcycle safety gadget engineered to protect riders in critical moments. Its automatic airbag deploys within milliseconds if you separate from your bike, safeguarding the spine, chest, neck, and hips. Constructed from durable, breathable materials with reinforced buckles, it's lightweight yet strong, offering all-day comfort and protection. The reusable CO2 system allows quick rearming, and its adjustable unisex design fits over jackets or racing suits. Priced around $625, it's a top-tier investment in rider safety. COFIT motorcycle gloves. The COFIT motorcycle gloves are a versatile and protective accessory for riders of motorcycles, BMX, ATVs, and more. Equipped with touchscreen-friendly fingertips, they let you use devices on the go. Reinforced knuckle and palm protection keeps your hands safe during rides and high-speed racing, while silicone gel palms provide superior grip and control on the handlebars. Made from breathable polyester with air vents, they stay comfortable in temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Priced around $18, they're an affordable, durable, and highly functional choice for riders.